My name is Suraya. I have one daughter. I am small family, very happy. I have no money, but heart is very clean.
Life in the slum poses many challenges. Homes are overcrowded, water is not easy to access, toilets are few, and families struggle to get by. Knowledge of healthcare and nutrition is limited, and families do not receive proper medical attention. Conditions such as these make the urban poor vulnerable to a host of health problems. Problems during pregnancy, childbirth, and early childhood cause women and children to fall ill, land in the hospital, and too frequently die. These problems are preventable. Sneha works with the urban poor to find innovative solutions to problems of nutrition, education, health, and violence against women.
Sneha has a wonderful comprehensive approach to women and children. At the community level, we form women's groups within the community. Slums are different from rural areas, so the women's groups are not really in one slum, but every lane has its own small community, and these women's groups meet every fortnightly, sometimes every 3 weeks.
Hi, my name is Okila. I am a Sakhi. As a Sakhi, I make the groups.
Through a process of sitting together and talking about health issues, women sharing their stories about health. Every day there is a change that happens within them, and then finally they take their own decision.
My name is Sheetal. I am working in Sneha. Our project aim is 0 to 3 years mother, guidance to their children's health, nutrition, and also we are trying to change their beliefs and practices.
Sneha partners with public healthcare providers to improve services for poor communities.
I am Archana Nitin Kamble. I am 19 years old and I am 4 months pregnant. मला या क्लिनिकचा फायदा झाला कारण मी जेव्हापासून इथे नाव नोंदणी केली तेव्हापासून मला इथे व्यवस्थित रक्त तपासणी, लघवी तपासणी किंवा उंची, वजन या तपासण्या झाल्या. तसेच इंजेक्शन वगैरे व्यवस्थित म्हणजे वेळच्या वेळी देण्यात आली. शिवाय औषधं, गोळ्या त्यांचा सुद्धा मला व्यवस्थित म्हणजे इथून मोफत मिळाल्या.
Sneha's Crisis Center provides support to victims of domestic abuse. We aim to empower women to improve their lives.
We have counselors to do the initial counseling of patients when they first come to the crisis center, and follow-up counseling as and when the women and children need them.
तो स्नेहा में आके ही मेरे को वो मदद मिली थी.
Before I came to Sneha, I had not been able to solve the problem with my husband. I was worried about my future. With the help of Sneha, I become aware that my husband had another wife and another family. I become strong to face my situation and plan for the future.
Sneha's initiatives are measured and evaluated to build sustainable and replicable models of intervention. We partner with communities to empower women to change their lives.
I want to ensure that my child never has to see my kind of life. I will give my child a better future.